Customer called me and said that he had an engine that was tore down. They were trying to rebuild it, and his mechanics that were supposed to reassemble it stopped showing up. They already had the cylinder sleeves installed, any machining work that they were going to do done. That's a picture of the crank. There's the new mains. There's the old mains. There we got, we're starting to put cylinders in, pistons in. Fun fact with 6-cylinder inlines is that 2 pistons are at top dead center at any given time. They just don't fire at the same time. They would be 180 degrees off of each other. There we got the new head gasket on. Here's another slow pan of the pistons in and the sleeves installed and secured. There we have the head installed. Now we are torquing head bolts to factory spec according to the service manual.
That'll work.
There we're setting the overhead valve clearances. Accessories and radiator installed. Fire up.